Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. This week we're going to be making an origami swan and learning how to say the word swan in Irish. In Irish, they say swan as aula. Can you say it with me? Aula. Great job. Now let's get started with the craft. The first thing we're going to do is fold one corner to the opposite side and cut off the excess. This is going to make your paper into a perfect square. Now you can keep your paper folded in half and fold up the two loose corners at the bottom to the top middle fold that you made first. If you watched the last episode, you know why we're making a swan. We read The Children of Lir, which is an Irish legend of an evil stepmother who turned her kids into swans. Now that you have both sides folded back, you can unfold it and fold it back the opposite way, so everything is nicely tucked inside. Now you're going to do the same kind of thing as last time by folding those corners back down to the edge. When you're done with this step, it should look a little bit like a paper airplane. Once you're done with that step, you're going to fold the pointy part up and back diagonally on both sides. These folds are going to help make it easier to make the swan's neck in the next step. So now that you have those folds, you can see how I turned it up and back inside to make the swan's neck. The last thing you'll need to do is take that very top point and fold it down again to make the swan's head. And now you've got a beautiful origami swan. To hear more about the Children of Lir story, don't forget to check out last week's episode. But until next time, it's time for me to say slán. That means goodbye in Irish. Slán! See you next time.